Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning something super simple but super important. The 4 kinds of sentences in English. Let's go! First of all 4 kinds of sentences start with a capital letter. First up, we have the declarative sentence. It's telling about something and gives us information. Examples: the sky is blue. It's a beautiful day. It ends with a period and is giving us information. Next up, the interrogative sentence. It's just a fancy word for a question. Examples: what time is it? Can I get pizza? And it ends with a question mark, so it's an interrogative. Now let's talk about the imperative sentence. It gives a command or makes a request. Examples: close the door. Please sit down. It can be polite or firm, but it's always telling someone or something to do something. And it ends with a period. And last, the exclamatory sentence. This one shows big feelings like excitement, surprise, or anger. So if it ends with an exclamation mark, you guessed it. It's exclamatory. Examples: wow, that's amazing. What a beautiful day it is. Let's recap. A declarative sentence makes a statement. An interrogative sentence asks a question. An imperative sentence gives a command. And an exclamatory sentence shows strong feelings. Now that you know all 4, can you spot them in your everyday life? Try it out. Let me know in the comments down below. See you next time. Bye.